Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Beauty of Joseon Light. On serum Centella plus vitamin C, in fact it is a newly launched serum in Beauty of Joseon family. It is a brightening serum that contains Centella Asiatica extract and vitamin C as main ingredients. The water and oil-soluble 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid ensures swift absorption, delivering quick and visible results. This rapid absorption formula targeted anti-aging, melasma, and pigmentation. It is fragrance-free, essential oil-free, and mineral oil-free serum. This serum has lightweight and creamy texture that provides refreshing finish without dryness and stickiness. The best part of this serum is that it contains airless pump container. The airless pump container blocks light and air to maintain its efficacy for a longer time and increase stability. Let's talk about its main ingredients. It contains 3,0-ethyl ascorbic acid 10%. It is a vitamin C derivative with improved stability over pure vitamin C that can maintain a stable state for 90 days even at 40 degrees Celsius. Compared to other vitamin C derivatives, it has high skin affinity, providing excellent absorption. It is less irritating and working on the skin comfortably. It contains Centella Asiatica extract 68%. Madecassoside, Asiaticoside, madecassic acid, and Asiatic acid from Centella Asiatica are effective in soothing and regenerating the skin. The extract also helps manage moisture and improve dullness of skin. Enriched with Centella extract, this serum soothes irritation and is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use it? Pump an appropriate amount of serum and apply it evenly over the entire treatment area after smoothing out the skin texture with toner. In short, if you have problem of wrinkles, melasma, and pigmentation, you can try this serum. Thanks for watching.